Let's shine a light on something many drivers overlook: your headlights. Over time, headlight lenses can become cloudy or yellowed, reducing their brightness and cutting down your nighttime visibility. Start by checking your headlights at dusk. Are they dim, flickering, or uneven? If so, it may be time to replace the bulbs. Next, inspect the lenses. Cloudy headlights can be restored using a headlight restoration kit or by having them professionally polished. Also, don't forget to aim your headlights properly. If they're misaligned, you could blind oncoming drivers or limit your own visibility. And remember, your headlights aren't just for night, they're also important during rain, fog, or low light conditions. Safe driving starts with seeing and being seen. Keep those headlights clean, bright, and working properly for safer roads day and night. Let auto service experts handle it. Give us a call and schedule a headlight check today.